Meaning of discernment.
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 Discernment. Discernment refers to the ability to distinguish or judge things accurately. It involves the use of sharp perception and good judgment to differentiate between right and wrong, truth and falsehood, as well as good and evil. Discernment is an important characteristic in decision-making, as it helps individuals to weigh the options carefully and make informed choices. It also enables people to recognize and avoid deception, manipulation, and other forms of negative influence. Ultimately, discernment leads to greater wisdom, understanding, and guidance in life.